What is array? An array is a special variable, which can hold more than one value at a time. An array can hold many values under a single name, and you can access the values by referring to an index number. Looping array elements. You can use the for and loop to loop through all the elements of an array. Adding array elements. You can use the append method to add an element to an array. Removing array elements. You can use the pop method to remove an element from the array. Array methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on lists. Array